Yes, please. Please tell me about your son.
Okay, good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manik Chandra Gorban. I belong to Guwahati, Assam. I hold a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from Guwahati Engineering College in 2021. Then, after qualifying GATE examination, currently I am pursuing my M.Tech from N.I.T Surat in environmental engineering specialization. Throughout my academics, I was actively engaged in various projects that required multidisciplinary approaches, and also I have gained practical experiences through various internships that I have undergone. I am a quick learner, hardworking, and extremely excited to apply my knowledge for the best of Federal Bank. Uh, I believe my blend of technical knowledge, management skills, and my uh, ongoing commitment for continuous learning well matches with the values and objectives of Federal Bank. And I fully believe that I will be very much helpful for the growth and success of Federal Bank. Thank you.
Mhm. Good. Tell us about your native place.
So I belong to Guwahati, Assam. Uh, my permanent residence is about 100 to 120 kilometers from Guwahati, but
Mhm.
currently we reside in Guwahati city.
Mhm. Okay. Now, what is your father?
So my father is a businessman.
What is the business he is doing?
So he deals with the bakery stuff, incense stick, and all those
Good. How many
food
siblings you
items.
have? How many
So
siblings you
I
have?
have one sibling. I have one younger sister.
Very good. Excellent. You studied environment engineering. After that, why are you coming to bank?
Sir, I acknowledge that my environmental engineering uh, degree is have uh, taught me various things that is very much useful for me. But I also believe that banking job is much more dynamic and is very much challenging in today's date. So I believe as I am also committed to work in a very much challenging role and seeing with the nature of banking, I believe it is a great platform to start my career with.
Mhm. You know what banks are doing?
Yes, banks are generally taking the public's money and circulating it by giving loans to various who needs and giving other people who need as various loans or like that.
Which bank are you having account?
So I have account in State Bank of India.
Who is the chairman of State Bank of India?
Shri Dinesh Kumar Khatra, sir, I think.
Kharra. Dinesh Kumar Kharra.
Okay, sir.
Dinesh Kumar Kharra. Who is the Union Defense Minister?
Sir, Honorable Minister Rajnath Singh.
Is there any Union Minister from Assam?
Yes, sir. Shri Sarvananda Sonwal. He is in charge of the ports and all that.
Very good. Can you name three more Union Ministers?
Uh, yes, sir. Our Home Minister Shri Amit Shah.
Hmm,
Our Railway Minister Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, sir.
hmm.
And our minister and our External Affairs Minister Shri uh,
Jai
Dr.
Shankar.
Dr. S. Jaishankar, sir.
Very good. So you are from Assam. Can you mention the names of five Assam ministers and their cabinets?
Yes, sir. Our Chief Minister is Honorable Dr. Himanta Vishwa Sharma, sir. Our Finance Minister is Miss Ajanta Neog, ma'am. Our PWD Minister is Piju Hajarika, sir. Uh, our Agriculture Minister, uh,
See, what are
sorry,
the
sir,
languages that are common in Assam?
in Assam.
Hmm.
Sir, mostly, so there is three official language, Assamese, Bengali, and Bodo. But apart
Mhm,
from this, there are very other language like Missing and Dima, Sao, and there are
mhm.
very much language according to the places it varies.
Oh, Bengali also is there.
Yes, sir. Three official languages there: Assamese, Bengali, and Bodo.
Oh, very good, very good. Excellent. So how many Federal Bank branches are there in Assam?
So there are 14 Federal Bank branches in Assam and four in my city, Guwahati.
That's a good. Supposing you are posted away from Assam to somewhere in Rajasthan, will you
Oh,
go or not?
yes, sir. I am extremely adaptable and flexible in nature. I can work anywhere as where the bank needs me.
Mhm. What is your dream job or dream job profile?
My dream job is actually uh, to be in a challenging role and to have success in some of challenging roles,
Can you
which
tell
is very dynamic in nature and which is very much regulated and all, where there is less scope to have error.
can you tell me the digital products of our bank?
Uh, the digital products. So one of them is the sir, sorry sir, I will not be able to say. So there is one credit card I heard.
What is BARD? BARD.
So Bird is a online AI tool. It is similar to what ChatGPT is, but Bird is the
Hmm.
product of Google.
Chatbot. Yeah, yeah. It's a chatbot. Good. Very good. You told nicely. Good. I'm happy. Now, can you tell me about your college project?
Uh, yes, sir. Currently, I am working in a group project and a dissertation. My group project is titled as Development of a Noise Prediction Model uh, and Mitigation Strategies along State Highway uh, due to the transportation noises and reducing it through a natural vegetation. And
Mhm.
my dissertation topic is moisture control in flower waste composting using domestic ash.
What are your strengths?
Uh, so my strength is I am extremely adaptable in nature. I am hardworking and I am a quick learner.
Hmm.
Also, I am honest
Hmm.
and empathetic.
How will you find new customers or conduct sales in Federal Bank? Supposing in Assam or in Madhya Pradesh, how will you go about getting new customers?
Uh, so first we will uh, interact with our customers that
No, no.
come.
Honestly, tell me, did you go through these questions or not? पहले ये सब हमने आप लोग का दिया है क्यों ये सब पढ़ा नहीं है आप लोग क्यों प्रिपेयर नहीं किया बताओ tell me one reason why you people did not prepare none of you are fully equipped with going through these questions they are asking only these questions why should you
So is
not be ready with answers for these
I have studied some of those questions that you have given, but
why
this
have
question
you
I
not
have not got. I think that how will you gather new customer? I
it
think I
is
have not
it is
found.
there it is there I am asking only from the question paper
Okay, sir.
how
I
will
will
you
search
find
once
new
more.
see how will you this is on very much on second page that means it has been asked in the month of November in some
Oh,
interview so
okay, sir.
please
I will look into it.
Please prepare yourself for all these questions. Which date is the interview fixed for you?
So 2nd December.
So which date you want? One more date have I given you? Third. Which
So
date
you
have I
have
given?
given me 27th of November,
Okay.
but
27. What is the time? Yeah,
sir,
I have given you
7:30.
6:25 p.m.
Okay, sir.
6:25 p.m. But you are a fellow who will be missing the timings. For what
Okay, sir,
reason
no
did you
issue.
miss yesterday's class?
Sir, actually, I was outside, then that's
Why
why
did you
I didn't.
why did you not message? Courtesy requires you are messaging me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, best wishes, Manik. Thank you. But your preparation is not adequate. Your English is 60% okay, but confidence is 50% okay. Please prepare.
Okay, sir.
If you really want this job, which is a very challenging one, which is very convenient one, please take steps for preparing yourself seriously. One, by watching the previous videos of mine. Two, by going through the materials like Aperchit or Guidely, or by going through Chat GPT material given by me.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.